Nowadays, most people want to live a healthy life. They do sports, they eat healthy food and watch out for natural products. This is also important in your own home, especially when it comes to paints. But how can you recognize a real natural paint? Which ingredients are allowed? What constitutes a natural paint? It is not easy to recognize it. Many producers try to trick the consumer with green product labels. Nature is suggested by using plants in the product name. Terms like ecological, sustainable or bio promise everything under the sun. But do promises like no solvents or without softeners really stand for real eco-paint? Often enough, these terms hide the truth. In many cases, producers use deceptive terms, ingredients are named wrongly or in a failing manner. The so-called white glue, for example, can be a plastic dispersion. Sunflower oil can be used in wall paints only if it is synthetically modified, and emission-free does not necessarily mean close to nature. Therefore, every real natural paint has to have a reliable and comprehensible full declaration of ingredients. This is the only way to know what it is made of. In this regard, a real natural paint is in clear contrast to the other allegedly ecological paints. The problem is that besides water and fillers, these products contain synthetic pigments and synthetic resins as binding agents. Additionally, in order to make these paints easily workable, artificial stabilizers and solvents are used. This makes the production of these paints very cheap and easy. This way, the share of synthetics in many products can go up to 50% or even more. This is not always harmless to health, and it is far removed from a natural way of living. By contrast, a real ecological paint consists of natural ingredients that are fully declared. The filling agents are mineral. The pigments are won from leaves, stems and roots or are mineral too. And even binders and auxiliary substances consist of natural raw materials or minerals. The result is a healthy indoor climate. The walls can breathe, just like the people living in the house. Moreover, real natural paints are biologically degradable and can thus be reintroduced into the natural cycle of materials. By contrast, many allegedly natural paints are made of petrochemical ingredients. Petrol is a finite raw material that is harmful to the environment and, in the end, to humans as well. That way, big volumes of waste are caused already before the paint has been even produced. Therefore, look closely what kind of product you're going to buy. Search online for information on raw materials. Producers should have declarations available there. Preferably, choose a renowned ecological brand right at the outside. The products made by Auro. Here, all raw materials are declared on the product label and additionally online. For more than 30 years, Auro has been standing for a clean choice of natural materials and for complete transparency. This is true for paints and lacquers, as well as for oils, waxes, stains and cleaning products. Follow us on the way to an active protection of biodiversity. Live healthier and more beautiful with Auro.